What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda HRV Smart Key Remote Fob. This Honda HRV key fob is going to be for the HRVs that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now, some people use the emergency key to open the key fob, but I prefer a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see there's these two plastic tabs right here and here. What I'm going to do is slide my screwdriver between those two tabs and then pry apart. And as I do that, it starts to split the case apart. And while you do this, you want to keep the buttons facing down just to help keep them in place. So once you have your case started, go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart like that. And now we see our battery right here. Now I'm going to grab the screwdriver and just help get under the edge of it and get this battery out of the holder. And then I'll grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side up. And I'll kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And at this point, if any of the buttons have moved, go ahead and slide them back into place where they need to be. And then we can snap the back of the case back on. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.